What if I told you that the reason your energy, your sleep, and even your erections have weakened after 60 has nothing to do with age itself? What if I told you the solution isn't hidden in a pill bottle or a complicated treatment, but in a common spice you've probably walked past hundreds of times at the store? And what if I told you that chewing this spice at night could send warm blood rushing through your body in seconds, bringing back strength you thought was gone forever? I'm Dr. Laura, a urologist with over 30 years of experience helping men just like you regain their energy and confidence. I've sat across from thousands of men who thought their best years were behind them, and I've seen for myself that with the right method, that just isn't true. I'm here to guide you with both science and care, because I understand exactly what you're going through. Here's the truth. Most men believe fading performance is just a natural part of aging, but that's not right. Erections don't simply disappear because of age. They fade because blood flow slows down and stress hormones rise. The sad part is that these changes can be reversed if you know how to trigger the right switches in your body. That's where this spice comes in. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how one simple 60-second habit, done at the right time of day, can improve circulation, calm your stress, and restart your testosterone naturally. This isn't theory. It's a proven natural method that has already transformed the lives of men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. And I'm going to walk you through it, step by step. Stay with me, because in a moment, I'll reveal not only what this spice is, but also how to use it to feel stronger, sleep better, and perform like yourself again. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss advice designed for men over 60. And let me hear from you in the comments. If you're ready to try this spice, type Y. If you're unsure, type N, so I know how to guide you better in future videos. Now that you see the promise of this simple spice, let's start with the first fact every man over 60 must know. Erections don't just vanish with age. They weaken because the tiniest blood vessels in your body begin to narrow, slowly cutting off the circulation your manhood depends on. Why do erections fade after 60? I want you to know something important right from the start. When erections begin to weaken after 60, it's not simply because you're getting older. Too many men blame age, as if turning 60 automatically shuts their body down. That's not true. What actually happens is much more specific, and the good news is, it can be changed. The blood vessels that support your manhood are some of the smallest in your body. Imagine a strand of hair that's about the same size. Over the years, stress, poor sleep, and inflammation slowly tighten those vessels. The process is slow, almost invisible. One day, you wake up and notice your morning erections aren't as strong. Over time, intimacy feels less reliable, and confidence starts to slip. I've spoken with countless men who quietly admit they feel less like themselves because of this, and I always tell them the same thing: you are not broken. Your body remembers exactly what to do. Those vessels can open again. Blood can flow again. The strength you once felt isn't gone. It's just waiting for the right signal to return. But here's where it gets more interesting. Blood flow is only part of the story. There's another hidden force in your body after 60 that quietly steals your energy and intimacy, and that's what we need to uncover next. The hidden hormone enemy. Now that you understand how weakened circulation slowly drains your strength, let's talk about something even more powerful: your hormones. Over the years, I've seen many men come to my office confused because their blood pressure looked fine, their heart seemed strong, yet they felt drained, disconnected, and unmotivated. The truth is, the silent thief behind it all is cortisol, the stress hormone. When your body is under pressure, whether it's money worries, family demands, sleepless nights, or even hidden gum infections, cortisol rises. And here's the cruel truth: cortisol and testosterone are enemies. When cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. Testosterone isn't just about intimacy, it fuels your energy, your mood, your confidence, even the way you carry yourself when you walk into a room. Without it, life feels dull. Many men tell me it's like living in black and white after years of seeing the world in color. I remember one man, 72 years old, who said to me, "Doc, I don't recognize myself anymore. I feel like a ghost of who I used to be." His tests showed very high cortisol and very low testosterone. When we lowered his stress, his testosterone returned, and with it came his smile, his drive, and yes, his intimacy. So it's not just about moving blood where it needs to go. It's about calming the body, lowering stress, and creating the right environment for testosterone to thrive again. And that brings us to something remarkable, a natural gift that has been hiding in plain sight for centuries, able to help with both circulation and cortisol at the same time, the spice that changes everything. Now, let me share with you something that still amazes me. After decades of practice, for years, men have come to me desperate for answers, convinced that only expensive drugs or complicated treatments could bring back what they lost. Yet sitting quietly on the spice rack, in almost every kitchen, is one of the most powerful natural tools I've ever seen. That spice is clove. You may think of it as something used in holiday cooking or old home remedies. But inside this tiny flower bud lies a hidden power that speaks directly to the struggles men face after 60. Clove has a compound called eugenol. What makes eugenol special is its ability to relax and open blood vessels, working like nature's own booster for circulation. When those vessels open, blood moves freely again, not just to your heart and brain, but also to the very place that shapes your confidence as a man. But clove doesn't stop there. It also contains beta-caryophyllene, a natural element that calms the brain, lowers stress hormones, and builds the perfect setting for testosterone to work properly. In simple words, this spice helps on both sides. It frees your blood flow and quiets the stress that drags your hormones down. I've seen men who thought their best years were gone find energy, intimacy, and joy again just by adding this overlooked spice into their daily lives. It may sound almost too easy, but sometimes the answers that change everything are the ones hiding right in front of us. And once you know the strength inside clove, the only question is how to use it the right way. And that's exactly what we'll explore next, the 60-second nighttime ritual. Now that you know the hidden power of clove, the real question is, how do you use it in a way your body can quickly absorb and respond to? Over the years, I've seen men try powders, oils, and supplements, but the best way is also the simplest. It takes just 1 minute, no tools, no prescriptions, no waiting rooms. You start with 2 or 3 whole cloves, the dried flower buds, not powder and not oil. Place them gently between your teeth and bite until you hear a small crack. For the first 30 seconds, don't chew. Let the warm, strong oils soak into your saliva and slip through the soft tissues of your mouth, straight into your bloodstream. Unlike a pill that takes hours to move through digestion, this works almost instantly. After 30 seconds, slowly chew the cloves for another 30. Feel the oils release completely, their sharp flavor reminding you something powerful is happening. By this point, the active compounds have already started opening your blood vessels and calming your nervous system. You can swallow the bits or spit them out. It doesn't matter. The work is already done. Men often tell me they're surprised that such a small, simple act can feel so meaningful, like their body is waking up again. This ritual takes just 60 seconds, yet it sets the stage for deeper sleep, calmer nights, and stronger circulation. But timing matters, and when you choose to do this ritual can make its effects even stronger. Let's talk about the best times to unlock its full power. As with many things in life, timing can make the difference between an average result and an amazing one. I've found that the moments you choose to chew this spice are just as important as the ritual itself. The most powerful time is about an hour before bed. This is when your body naturally starts to relax, your blood pressure lowers, and your nervous system shifts into recovery mode. Chewing clove at this time prepares your body for the deep restorative sleep where testosterone is made. Many of my patients have told me that once they made this a habit, they not only slept better, but also woke up with a strength and confidence they hadn't felt in years. The second best time is first thing in the morning, before eating. Think of it as kick-starting your engine for the day. On an empty stomach, the active parts of clove move quickly through your body, clearing brain fog, sharpening focus, and boosting circulation. It's like opening the curtains to let fresh sunlight in, but for your blood and your energy. Some men also chew it before exercise or intimacy, finding it makes them feel stronger, more present, and fully alive in the moment. Choosing these times isn't just about routine, it's about syncing with your body's natural rhythm to get the best results. But knowing when to chew is only half the story. The real excitement begins when you see what happens after days and weeks of being consistent. And that's where the journey becomes truly life-changing. One of the most common questions I hear from men is, "Doc, how soon will I feel the difference?" And I always tell them this: real change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, your body will start to respond in ways both subtle and powerful. In the first 7 days, most men describe a gentle shift. They notice a lightness in their chest, a warmth moving through their lower body, or simply that their sleep feels deeper and less broken. It's not dramatic, but it's the quiet foundation being built beneath the surface. By the second week, around day 14, the benefits begin to grow stronger. Many men say they wake up feeling more refreshed, their mind clearer, and their mood steadier. Some even notice something they hadn't felt in years, a stronger morning erection, or a sudden spark of desire that seemed lost. This is your circulation coming back to life, your hormones rebalancing, and your body remembering how to perform as it once did. By day 30, the change becomes undeniable. Erections are firmer, more reliable, and confidence returns, not only in intimate moments, but also in daily life. Men tell me they carry themselves differently, they smile more, and feel comfortable in their own skin again. This isn't about chasing youth, it's about bringing back vitality, about stepping once more into the man you were always meant to be. And while this simple spice ritual is powerful on its own, there are small natural habits that can boost its effects even further, multiplying the results. Let's look at those powerful additions next. Over the years, I've seen that even the simplest rituals become stronger when paired with the right habits. Think of it like adding wood to a fire. The flame is already burning, but with support, it grows brighter and stronger. One of the easiest ways to enhance the clove ritual is by adding a spoon of pure honey. Honey is more than a sweetener. It holds boron, a mineral that helps testosterone and balances blood sugar. When you pair clove with honey, you're fueling both your circulation and your hormones, setting up deeper and better recovery. Another simple yet powerful addition is movement. A 10-minute walk after chewing cloves in the morning works like a pump, pushing freshly oxygenated blood through vessels that eugenol has just helped open. Men often tell me they feel their whole body wake up during these short walks, as if their energy is rising from the inside out. And then there's breathing. While you chew, try box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2, exhale slowly for 6. This calms the nervous system, lowers cortisol, and helps your body absorb the active parts of clove even better. It may feel small, but it makes a real difference. Quality matters too. Fresh organic cloves, with a sharp, strong smell, always deliver the best results. If the scent is weak, the spice has lost much of its strength. These small habits take just minutes, but can greatly increase results. Still, as powerful as this sounds, there's an even deeper change, one that shifts not just your body, but how you feel about yourself. When men first come to me, they often talk about physical struggles, feeling tired, weaker erections, restless nights. But as I listen closely, I hear something deeper. What truly troubles them isn't just the physical changes, but how those changes slowly chip away at their identity. They tell me they feel less confident, less connected with their partners, and sometimes less like the man they used to be. This is why the clove ritual matters so much. It's not only about blood flow or hormones, it's about giving you back control over your body and your life. I've seen men who once walked with their heads down begin to stand taller again. They laugh more. They reach for their partner's hand. They smile in ways their families haven't seen in years. Confidence is no small thing. It shapes every conversation, every relationship, every decision in your day. When your blood flows well, your stress lightens, and you wake with more energy, you begin to live fully again. You stop avoiding intimacy and start enjoying closeness. You stop feeling invisible and start feeling alive. This emotional rebirth is what makes such a simple ritual so powerful. You're not just restoring performance, you're reclaiming your dignity, your pride, and your joy in being a man. But to make this transformation last, you must act. Simple, clear steps that turn these changes into a daily habit. That's exactly what I want to guide you through next. By now, you've learned the truth about why strength fades, the hidden role of stress hormones, and the surprising power of a tiny spice that can bring it all back. But knowledge alone doesn't change life. Action does. That's why I urge you to start tonight. Take 2 or 3 whole cloves, follow the simple 1-minute ritual, and give your body the signal it's been waiting for. This isn't about chasing another trick or pretending to be young again. It's about reclaiming the energy, confidence, and intimacy that have always been part of you. I've watched men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s transform their health and rediscover themselves simply by taking this first small step. One man told me with tears in his eyes that after weeks of feeling his body respond again, he finally felt like himself for the first time in years. That kind of change doesn't just affect you, it changes how you show up for your partner, your family, and your happiness. So here's what I ask. Try this ritual, commit to it, and share your journey. If you found value in what you heard, subscribe and stay connected, because I'll keep bringing you natural, practical strategies designed especially for men over 60. This is more than a video. It's an invitation to step back into your strength. And as powerful as this call to action is, what matters most is how you carry it forward. Because as we close, I want to leave you with one lasting thought that could shift how you see yourself for the rest of your life. Erections don't fade just because of age. They fade because of blood flow, stress, and hormones. Things you can change. A simple spice, clove, can open your blood vessels, calm your mind, and bring back your confidence. I've seen it change men who thought their best years were over, and I know it can do the same for you. 1 minute, one choice, one habit at night. That's all it takes to start reclaiming your strength. Your energy is waiting. Now it's your turn.